Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Statistics.Education. In today's video, we are going to learn about arithmetic mean. So without any further ado, let's look at the topics covered. First of all, we will learn what is mean and how to calculate it. Then we will learn why do we obtain mean and who are the users of the mean in real world scenario. And lastly, we will learn which are the different formulas used in mean for different types of data. So let's begin with what is mean. In simple words, mean is nothing but average. Now the question arises, what is average? So average is a single value representing a group of data. For example, average result. In this, we total the marks obtained from each subject and divide the total with the number of subjects to obtain a value which represent the performance of the student from all 6 subjects, right? I hope you got a brief idea about what is average. Now we will get a little deeper in the topic by learning how to obtain mean. So here we have two teams, team A and team B. They both gave a math test and obtained the scores as given below. Now let's obtain mean, which will give us a value from which we can get an overall idea of each team's performance. First, let's obtain mean for team A. The first step is to add all the given observations. Here it is 30. So let's get the sum of all the total marks obtained by the team as total marks. Okay, so here we will add each and every value. So we will begin with 69 plus 48 plus 84 and so on till 64. Okay, and the final answer of total marks is 2002. So that's our step 1. Now we'll move on to step number 2. The second step is to divide the total marks by total number of students. Here, the total number of students of team A is 30, right? So this is our step 2. Now we'll obtain mean. The formula for arithmetic mean is the total of all values divided by the total number of values. So in our case, total of all values is 2002 and total number of values is 30. Thus, mean for team A is equals to 2002 divided by 30, which is 66.73. So this 66.73 is the average marks obtained by students of team A. Now we will do the same process for team B. If you want to do that on your own, pause the video and solve it and then continue. So the step 1 will remain the same. We will add up all the marks from team B and the total is 2024. The total number of students is 30 and when we put the values in formula, the mean for team B will be 2024 divided by 30, which is 67.47. Now I am sure you learned this well, and let's understand the logic of why do we need to obtain mean. The first reason is mean can summarize large data set into one value. As we saw, it converted 30 values in a single value for both the teams and it became easier for further analysis. The second reason is to make comparison easy between two or more groups. Here, we can compare that team B performed slightly better than team A. Now the question arises, if we look at the total marks 2002 for team A and 2024 of team B, we could easily say that team B performed better. But the thing is, here the value of observations, that is the number of students, is same. In many cases, if the student count is different, that is, team A having 20 students and team B having 40 students, in such cases, analysis from total value will lead to wrongful analysis. Now let's see who in the world uses mean. Now if you are planning your career in education, economics, business, science and data analysis or preparing for government jobs, trust me, you will be using mean in those fields. So here we have two basic examples of each field. Read them and if you have any query in them, ping me in the comment section down below. They are easy and simple to understand. Now let's learn different formulas used to obtain mean. Data can be of two types, group data and ungrouped data. The sum we solved today was from ungrouped data type. I recommend noting this chart in your notebook or a page so that when you are confused, you can refer to this chart to identify which formula to use. In the upcoming videos, we will be solving each sum on each formula. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. See you in the next video.